Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how to change country on YouTube channel. So let's start the videos. First of all, you have to go to your YouTube channel studio. So the second step is you have to go to the setting of your YouTube studio. After going to YouTube studio setting, here you can see a lot of options appear. After a lot of options appear, go to the second option and here you can see the change a country and all that. You don't need to go all the options, you just have to go on a second row. Here you can see there is an option country of residence, like where you are belong from. If you are belong from one country and you want to change to another country, so this is the option from where you can change your country. You can see here there are a lot of countries. You can change your YouTube channel location at any country. So hope so you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the next video. Now you can see there's all the countries where YouTube channel is allowed, like YouTube is allowed. In some countries YouTube is not allowed, but in some countries it's allowed. So all the countries where YouTube is allowed, all the countries names are there. So you have to search your country name from there. If you want to change your country name, you can also select another country name. Here you can see all the countries are there. So now I'm going to set my channel location to United States. After setting my channel location to United States, here you can see now after selecting the channel location, you have to go to the option on the save on the top bar. After selecting on save, your channel location will be changed for permanent. And if you want to change again and again, you can change your channel country again and again as many as time you want. Hope so friends you understand this video and like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned with me for the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Now you can see the location of my channel is selected to United States. So this is the method how you can change your channel's location. Thank you so much for watching the video.